What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Insurance Auto Auctions here in Oklahoma City for another vehicle preview for an upcoming auction. Let's jump into this video today and see what we found. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. You don't see these very often anymore. A single cab. This is a 1990 Chevrolet 1500, probably a two-wheel drive variety. And honestly, it doesn't look too bad. This is another pedal vehicle. It's got good tires. At least they appear to be good. Yeah, Primewell tires. They got decent tread. The body actually looks pretty decent on it, guys. Long bed, single cab. Looks like the tailgate has seen better days. You got the old school bumper pull down there. No receiver hitch. Uh-oh. Yep. That's jammed up. I'm interested in this one, but unfortunately, it's probably not going to run. This one is going for absolutely nothing right now. And, oh, it's got a mismatched door. Can you tell? It's close, but not close enough. That's actually pretty, even the pinstriping was relatively close. They didn't do bad on that at all. The door is off of a GMC 1500. Oh, it's a manual transmission too? My only question is, what engine? What do we got under the hood? Oh, it smells old. I love that smell. It's a little rough, guys, but in the steering, there's just a little bit of play in that steering wheel. Boy, she smells old. What's the mileage on this unit? 229,006. It looks like it quit running going over 40 miles an hour. I don't know what the deal is with that. You got your old school 4-speed with overdrive, which 5-speed transmission, but all right. I'm kind of digging it, man. This is probably going to be a short video though, because this one is listed as #1. This is a non-public vehicle, which means the general public cannot bid on it. Oh, dude, is this a V6? Oh, it's got no battery either. Oh boy. Yeah, I feel like more and more I feel this is going to be a short video. So it's got no radiator. Like, there's nothing left. It's still got the hoses though, so that's nice. It's still got the rubber feet, the mounts in the bottom, so I mean that's good too. Does it have terminals at least? Sort of. Yep. So I'm assuming, yeah, this is the ground. This goes straight up and bolts up to the engine somewhere, so that's a ground. This is going to be the hot. That's going to be a lot of fun, isn't it? Let's take a look. This looks like the little fourth. It is. It's the 4.3. Look how tiny that engine is. Little bitty 6-cylinder. I mean, I'd still buy it with a manual transmission. Heck, whatever. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, I don't know how well that comes out on camera, guys. The only thing on the dipstick is crusties, like chunks. Well, you never know until you check, right? So I thought it would be worth taking a peek at. I'm thinking we're gonna have to go find something else though, guys. I was really hoping for the best. I don't think there's much of a point in throwing a jump pack on this. There's literally nothing in the oil pan at all. The dipstick has nothing but just chunks on it. So even if it does turn over, I don't think it's going to go very well. I don't know. Man, I really like this truck, even with the V6. There's something about this body style, man. They look good. They did. I'm gonna close the hood on this one, and I'm gonna think about it. But honestly, a V6 #1, not very desirable. A long bed #2, not very desirable. And a blown engine, you could probably barely give this thing away. Well, I almost can't believe what I found, but here's another one. I think the other one actually looked better. This one's really, really, really bad. It's multiple colors. Yeah, this one's pretty rough. Does it run? I don't know. I don't think this one's gonna run either. We'll find out soon enough though. Hopefully it has parts under the hood. Most of it is red. There's not a straight panel on this. Hey, is that the radiator for the other truck? No. And there's a steering gearbox with the steering shaft. There's a knuckle assembly with a rotor. There's springs and a muffler. I hope those don't all go to this. Something tells me they do. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's something. 228,000 miles on the odometer. It's got just a little bit of play, not too much. Oh, you can't pop the hood on this one? Oh, man. I mean, if you had some pliers, you could probably get in there and... Ha! Got it. I got it. I thought it was going to be harder to open than it was, but that sucker came right up for me. Come on, what do we got? Ah! Whoa, 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 whoa. Vortec. Oh, no battery. Of course there's no battery. Well, they left you a ratchet and a 12 mil though, so that's something. Yeah, so that's going to be positive, that's going to be positive, and that's going to be negative. Let's see if this one's got any oil. Fresh oil. That's a rarity. I don't know, guys, this might run. Why would somebody have fresh oil in a vehicle that doesn't run? I mean, at the same time, it has no battery either. I'm gonna throw a jump on it, guys. Why not? Let's see what this thing does. I'll be honest with you, I don't have high hopes for this. I really don't. But we'll give it a shot. I'll give the old girl a chance, man. Oh. Nope. That's a negative. Oh, wow. Yeah. That door doesn't it doesn't fit. The door doesn't fit at all. Nope. I heard lots of rattling and clunking coming from inside the engine. So, hey, you know, you don't know until you try. We're 2 for 2. That means for this video, we struck out. There's no 3 strikes in these videos, guys. If you strike out twice, that's the end. We're done, and we're gonna get out of here. Well, I changed my mind. We didn't even get to 10 minutes, so I figured we'll take a look at this one. It's a Porsche Macan 2016. Is it Porsche or is it Porsche? I don't know. You guys correct me in the comment section below. I already know that you will anyway, but 2016 Macan. This looks pretty good. Is this an S? Oh, it is. Even better. No, it's not better. I gotta stop, man. I know better. This thing's got good tires. The body looks good. It's a car dealer that's selling it. It smells good? What's the catch? Does it have a bad transmission or something? I'm skeptical. I'm very skeptical on this one, guys. Look at this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Boy, somebody's been in here going through stuff, haven't they? Let's put all this stuff back. It's not very nice to go through people's stuff, right? That's like a navigation thing right there. We got the key down here. It's this nice blue fob. Put it in. Let's see what it does. Very nice. Well, she runs great. Man, I know better. Do not get attached to this because you don't need it, man. You don't need it. 83,000 miles on the odometer. We have an airbag light. I don't see any warning messages, though. Voltage looks good. Oil pressure's at 45 PSI. It's even got your boost pressure there, which says 0. Look how responsive the throttle is. I mean, as soon as you tap the gas, man, boy, she... And then you got that aircraft-like interior. Just buttons and controls absolutely everywhere. And just when you think you've seen it all, you look up, and what do you find? Even more. Yeah, there's just there's buttons everywhere in this thing. I don't know, guys. I don't need this. Like, I really don't. Let's pop the hood real quick. Curious to see if it's really a twin turbo. No, I'm kidding. We know that it is. I just want to pop the hood to pop the hood. This one actually looks pretty dadgum good, guys. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. Man, I would hate to have to replace this hood because this whole thing is like a giant clamshell. I guarantee you that's an expensive hood, guys. This one looks really nice. It looks really nice. 3.0 liter V6 S, which means basically twin turbo somewhere. I don't know where they stuff them. It doesn't look like there's any room. Look down here. There's no room. And this is why I hesitate to even look at one of these. The price, believe it or not, is not too bad. You can get these things. Well, let me pull it up. Let's just see what it's going for on IAA's website right now. So I'll be honest with you, I was thinking around 20 for this car. It's currently at $7,475. That is not good. Buy it now, 25 G's, guys. $25,000. I don't know. It says primary loss collision, front end, but clear Oklahoma title, 83,000 miles. Actual cash value, this is crazy, $40,000 for this? Are you serious? It's a 3-liter twin turbo, blah, 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 blah. No way, guys. No way. 40 G's for a 2016? I like it. I mean, don't get me, I really do. Like, honest to God, I think it's a great looking vehicle. I do like it. But there's no way I'd pay anywhere near 40 for it. In fact, even with $25,000 in the bank, I'm not interested in it for $25,000. Maybe at 20 I would think about it, not 25. And that's a wrap for the video. You got 3 cars in one video. That's crazy. We're not doing that right now, but nothing ran, man. Nothing ran. Everything was broken. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Definitely drop your comments down below and consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.